had a request today. Please share your Mexican pizza recipe. Absolutely. Step 1, you're gonna air fry at 400 for 3 minutes and start preheating it. If yours is more like this one that doesn't have a preheat setting, just turn it on to run for 3 minutes before you actually start putting food in it. It works just the same. Step 2, take a tortilla. You can use corn tortillas, but we finished ours off, so we're gonna try it on a flour tortilla. Step 3, add salsa. Step 4, add leftover taco meat. If you don't have leftover taco meat, either A, you can make taco meat, or B, for a pantry stock up to make this anytime, buy a can of refried beans. Our Aldi sells them, either regular or fat-free. This one's also leftover though. So step 4, add Mexican cheese. Pro tip, if you're using the refried beans over here and you don't have taco seasoning to add to it, buy the taco style cheese. Taco style cheese has taco seasoning in it. Step 5, safely transfer from plate to grill. Side note, if you're allergic to tomatoes like I am, the refried beans is also another good option because then you don't need the sauce. It's just fine just like that. Side note, if you are doing just refried beans and Mexican style cheese and you don't have taco style cheese, have a container of cumin seasoning in your cabinet. This is the main ingredient in most taco seasonings, and it will actually taste like you've put taco seasoning on it. The edges are always going to be a little bit darker, but if you don't like them that dark, you can always take a minute off of the cook time. Because, I mean, if you look, the bottom is not that dark. It's just the edges. But we like ours a little bit crispier anyway, so this is perfect for us. But if you don't like it this dark, take a minute off and only do 2 minutes in the air fryer instead. Optional toppings that we do for these is sometimes we will add sour cream and shredded lettuce, or we will get like a Southwestern salad kit from Aldi's and top it over top of it.